I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this set of 4 steak knives from Miracle Blade. And these are serrated steak knives. They are very sharp, very well made. These are stainless steel, well crafted, and they have a great ergonomic handle to be able to hold the knife while you are cutting. So just to show you a little closer up now as we go ahead and cut up this meat. They're just super easy knives and very sharp. As you can see, you can get a nice clean cut just like that. All it takes is one motion to cut it the way it should be, just like that, to be able to get nice, clean pieces. And you get just super easy cuts with this knife. This is great for whether it be tough steaks, whether it be tender chicken, pork, lamb chops that you need to cut up, or really just about any protein. This is great just as a versatile knife to use while eating your day-to-day meals, or to be able to use for nice steak dinners, to be able to have something that can really get the job done. Just to show you up close so you can see how it is crafted. I'm gonna grab one of the clean ones here so you can see it a little bit better. So you can see how it's crafted here. You can see that the blade goes through the handle, no tang on the outside. It's just built right into the handle here. Easy to hold on to. I love the overall shape of it. It's not just a boring straight knife. It has a really nice shape to it, especially the handle. Easy to hold on to. You can see that the blade has been well crafted because you can see how it's been forged there on both sides. Super, super sharp blade of itself, and it is serrated. So this is just a great versatile steak knife that gets the job done. And it's really just the perfect professional series. Great for professionals, great for day-to-day homeowners. Highly recommend this set. Thank you to the brand for providing it for me.